Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add structured data in WordPress. Structured data is something that helps search engines better understand the content on your website. Instead of just reading plain text, search engines can identify important details like articles, products, reviews, and other information in a more organized way. This can help your website appear more clearly in search results and sometimes even display extra details like ratings, images, or additional information. In this tutorial, we'll briefly talk about what structured data is, why it's useful for websites, and how WordPress makes it possible to add it without needing advanced coding skills. So if you're running a blog, a business site, or any kind of WordPress website and want search engines to understand your content better, this is definitely something worth learning. Let's get started. So first thing is first, we have to open WordPress. After doing that, we will go to the left side of the screen and go to Plugin, and a side menu appears, which we are going to click Add Plugin. After clicking that, a new screen appears where a search bar appears at the right side of the screen, where we are going to search Schema. Then variety of plugins appear where we will search the one that says Schema and Structured Data for WP and AMP. I already installed, so I only need to activate it, but if you have not installed it, you have to, then you will activate it. After clicking Activate, as you can see, a new screen appears, where we will scroll down until we find the plugin we installed and activate it. Then click Settings. Next, a new screen appears where we can set the rules we want, which we are comfortable with. Then click Save Settings. Before we finish, remember that adding structured data to your WordPress website helps search engines better understand your content. When your site is organized this way, it can make your pages clearer and more informative in search results. So it's a small step, but it can make a real difference for your website. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.